Now if we move on to these symbols, we're going to move on to different symbols. The thing you need to do to commit to memory is that this symbol means intersect. A intersect B is how we would read this. So I'll show you two different ways to represent that. If we're looking at a Venn diagram, so the rectangle would be U, this one is A, and this one is B. A intersect B would be the subset here, only in here where these two intersect. So if you have a hard time thinking about what this symbol means, it's always only this section where things overlap, where they intersect. Okay, so if we look over here, if we have a set A is 1, 2, 3, this is a different way of looking at it, not a Venn diagram. And set B is 2, 3, and 4. We want anything that A and B have in common. So I've already circled, they have 2's in common and they have 3's in common. And when we list an A intersect B, we're not going to repeat anything. So it would just be 2 and 3. Okay? And then if we move on to this symbol, we read this as A union B. That one's easier to remember because it's actually a U. Okay? So when you see this is something that we started teaching last semester. It seemed to be easy for people to remember, is that if you have A union B, picture this is like a trash can, and you're going to throw everything from A in and everything from B in. So everything in here, everything from A and everything from B and everything they have in common is going to be in the subset A union B. So let's look at an example over here. Same numbers. A is a set containing 1, 2, 3. B is a set containing 2, 3, 4. And we want all of the elements A union B. So everything from A and everything from B thrown into a new subset. And same thing, we're not going to repeat, so it would just be 1, 2, 3, and 4.